Hey everyone, Spidey Librarian here, and today I'm coming at you with an unboxing and review of two Spider-Man compression shirts I've ordered off of Amazon. And we are going to go ahead and cut her open. All right, so here are our shirts. For the first one, we have got a short sleeve Spider-Man compression shirt from the PlayStation 4 Spider-Man game. So it's a pretty nice looking shirt. And if you guys will excuse me for a second. All right, guys, and here we are. So I like this shirt. It feels very snug. Now, for reference sake, I tend to wear a small in a lot of the compression shirts that I purchase off of Amazon. And so they tend to give me smalls, or at least they recommend them. Very clearly, this is the PS4 Spider-Man with the big white spider and the kind of particular lines that we've got here. It's pretty nice. My one issue with it is that we get these kind of ridiculously fictionalized muscle lines here. I do not have a six pack, guys. It's been a while since I've been that svelte. I don't really care for that feature on a lot of these compression shirts, but most of them do it. And so I kind of can't really fault it too much for that. But I mean, like, it is clinging to me. It's hugging me pretty nicely. I like it. It's not uncomfortable. Again, I like the colors. I like the colors a lot. Actually, I haven't seen the back. But the back, and it got here the day after I ordered it. Really can't ask for more than that. But overall, I really think this is a nice shirt. I think it was about, I want to say it was about $25, $26 on Amazon. So, not terrible, not great, but not terrible either. And really, I mean, this really looks very nice. And for someone like me who's a big Spider-Man nerd, I'm okay with this. I definitely think that this shirt and this style is certainly worth checking out. If you decide to do so, please go ahead and use my affiliate link. I will be including my affiliate link in the description for this video. If you would like to see more reviews, you can find them starting here.